I wanna be with you. I wanna hold you in your sleep. There's nothing we can't do with the love we've got. It's coming naturally. I wanna move with you. I wanna sweep you off your feet. And honey, when we're through, the birds and the bees will hum our melody. And I don't know what to do without your crazy love. Without your crazy love, no crazy love. And I don't know what I do without your crazy love. Without your crazy love, no crazy love. I wanna see this through. Meet your parents Christmas Eve. Take a trip for two, pack an extra bag. Who knows how long we'll be? But you're not here now, and you left without a trace. Such an unfamiliar place that you have let me say yeah. And I don't know what to do without your crazy love. Without your crazy love, no crazy love.
Baby shampoo, come and save me. I've been missing Lady Luck ever since she started hating. I've been waking up too early. I miss our crazy hazes in the middle of the night. Watch the stars from different places, and the phases we call love won't ever start to change. But do you ever wake up feeling like everything is strange? We should buy a one-way ticket and board onto a plane and fly it straight into a black hole somewhere out in outer space. Girl, baby, it's you. Baby, it's true. Baby, it's you. I don't wanna be nothing true. Baby, this world, it drives me crazy. I've been running around the room trying to make some extra gravy. I've been staying up for hours just staring at the ceiling. Now she's starting to stare back, but I guess looks can be deceiving. And the spaces we call love won't have a fade away. But do you ever wake up feeling like we're living day to day? We should buy some golden handcuffs and throw away the K and mark ourselves right into cages in the prison of belief. Cause baby, it's you. Baby, it's true. Baby, it's you. I don't wanna be nothing. The truth is running away. Started out as funny, now the bees looking for honey, and I don't know what I should say. People ask us what we're doing, but it's all kind of confusing. It's like waiting for something great. And finally when you got it, wasn't everything you wanted. So you sit and grin and bear. It's not the worst thing that has happened, so you still.
It's so hard to stay on top of the world when the world keeps telling you who you should be. All these people telling you what you need. Oh, darling, only you can set your spirit free. Pay attention now, I ain't gonna stop it, stop it. Honey, everything you need is in your pocket. Darling, this is what you've been waiting for. When it all comes in, don't you let it go. Honey, this is all that you want and more. When you open your mind and open the front door. Only one thing I know is that good things happen when you what you'll find is a little bit of magic. You gotta let it go, just let it happen. Start a cycle, a chain reaction. This is what you've been waiting for. When it all comes in, you can just let go. Honey, this is all that you want and more. When you open your mind and open the front door. This is what you've been waiting for. When it all
Time stops when we're alone. You got my love, don't let it go. Feels like we're paper thin, one step away from caving in. When you're out where all the wild roams, and you're looking for a way back home, I'll be the light that only you can see. You can see. I'll be here when things go south. We can take our time just to figure it out. I'll be here when all gets lost. We can count on hope when there's rivers to cross. And I know our lives will always change, but our hearts forever stay the same. I'll be here when things go south. We can take our time just to figure it out. Time stops when we're alone. You got my love, don't let it go. Feels like we're paper thin, one step away.
Hindi masarap.
Okay na ba?
Nakakawa ako eh.
Kaya mo yan.
I'll be the light that only you can see. You can see. I'll be here when things go south. We can
Sarap.
take
Hindi.
our time just to figure it out. I'll be here when
Bayad ka na?
Ay! How much?
Makikain. Tapos alis ka doon. Ayos ka.
taking one more breath beside you, so I could find strength to divide us. Give it all we got, and I know we did the best we could. If I could go back, undo the mess, I would memorize your face before I go. But this is how we go. Gotta give it up, sometimes it's gold. And knowing when to kill your pride. There's no one to blame, nothing really stays the same. This is how we go. Sometimes we hold on to let go. Sometimes we
got you spinning. She says, I know you got a girlfriend, just pretend for a minute. She'll cut in half a photograph she wants to fit in. She'll tell you that your girlfriend doesn't get it. And she says, I'm